Hey guys, welcome to Las Vegas. We are going to be doing a room tour today of a hotel called Treasure Island. So as we walk up, we see Treasure Island. So the customer service here at Treasure Island is actually not bad at all. Really good people. Smiling faces. Let's get right to it. Hey guys, welcome to Treasure Island. It is 2023 and this is our second hotel on this week that we're going to go ahead and try. Now this is going to be the 34th floor, room number 97. Let's go ahead and do a quick tour and see what this is all about. Now I do want to let you know this is just a basic room. Okay, this is not any upgrades. There's no extra charges or fees. This is just one of those standard rooms. So we're going to come right in here, and the first thing that we're going to do is check out the carpet. It's actually a really nice carpet. Now the thing about this room though, even though it's a standard room, is the bed is extremely big. It's a king size bed. You do have a refrigerator down here, which is amazing. A safe, which is definitely needed. A wonderful book to read. By the way, The Warning is a really good book. Check it out. There's the TV right here. Just a standard small TV. Place for your stuff. Little kick it area right there. And a kick it area right here. This right here, guys, is pretty much the full room. Not bad for the price. If you definitely come here direct, it's about $100 a night. I mean, it's not that bad, but you got to remember there's resort fees on top of that. What is really cool is this view. Look at that view, guys. See, that's the Mirage. We stayed there on the first night. And now for the third night, we're going to stay at the Luxor. For the second night, I'm once again here at Treasure Island. I wanted to try a different hotel room for each night that I stay here. Just so that way, I don't know, it just makes it more fun when you just do something like that. I want to be down there today. Now let's go take a quick look at the bathroom, guys. Oh, by the way, here's a walk-in closet. The best deals, by the way, on hotel rooms I found is Vegas.com. Great customer service and the best prices, way better than Expedia, way better than Hotels.com. I don't care what they say about best price guarantee. Vegas.com was the best. I saved hundreds. The shower here is not bad. It is pretty big. There's a little spa tub down here. But I will tell you, this right here does not have pressure. So when I did take a shower, the pressure was definitely off. Of course, you get enough towels and the goodies. The sink area, not bad. And there's me, guys. Welcome to Las Vegas room tours number 2. And we'll be at the Luxor with our next video. And of course, you got to check out the Mirage. The Mirage was amazing. The video that I took. They do have bad customer service there, but the room was awesome. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's the tour of this room here at Treasure Island. I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of your day.